Hello friends, welcome to my channel Skyline Academy, on which I'm posting videos related to SAP Solution Manager functionalities. Related to service availability management, I got one feedback, or you can say the comment against that, how the service availability management is related with system monitoring, and what are the metrics which are responsible to report the availability in service availability management. So thank you for first of all, thank you so much for watching my videos and asking this question. Definitely in this video I'm going to show, and I'm just going to confirm and clear out that which are the metrics responsible for this. So first of all, service availability management and system monitoring, both are different, but it is related to each other. I think you are aware that work mode management is an integral part of service availability management. If work mode is not created when the system prior to system is getting in maintenance, then you will receive couple of notification and incidents based on configuration related to availability. So in that case it is related, but yes, before doing any maintenance, please make sure that you have created work mode to suppress the alert, as well as to show the maintenance as a planned downtime. So this is availability management, service availability management, SAM, which is showing for A4H system for last 3 months with regards to monthly granularity 5, 6, and 7. And here we are also, I think you can see in previous videos as well, there's outages as well. If there's outages available, and if you go in detail, if there is any outage, it will show the source would be MAI for outages. So let's just, I'm switching my this screen to system monitoring for F4H. Let's see which are the availability metrics configured. But as a standard, it is only service availability of system depends on two metrics, which is RFC availability and HTTP message server availability. On those two metrics, the SAM reporting availability defines. So just let me switch there. Just give me a second. Yeah. So this is system monitoring UI. This is A4H system ABAP. Let me click here. It takes bit time to open this page, but yes. So there are two metrics. One is RFC availability, and the second is message server HTTP availability will be key point to monitor or to report the availability to SAM reporting. SAM. Let's see here. Yeah, so you can see here. So in ABAP system availability, there is one which ABAP system HTTP availability and the ABAP system remote RFC availability. These are the two metrics which are responsible for system availability in service availability management. Yeah. So thank you for asking a question. I think it is clear now that which are the metrics available for SAM reporting. And please like this video and share with friends, and have a great day. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye bye.